almost said hey guys. So today we are going to get AM's tattoo on his cover up. Show me your arm. On this part here, we're going to cover it up with a koi fish. And he's super excited, but not really because you're not excited about the pain.
Been a long time.
Long time. How long has it been since you had a tattoo?
I know,
A while?
I was just having to look at that thing for a long time.
Yeah. I like that it says, looks like it says star, and I will probably bleep that out, but it's not cute. It's not cute. And we just got done doing our car, getting our car done and taken care of, and that was forever and stupid. We had to go back and get a new radio, but whatever, it was covered. I don't care. So, and yeah, look, we're twinsies today. Look at that wrap pack, showing the off-road pack some love. I had to figure out where we were going, and then what are we doing after that? Maybe getting something to eat after we're done, because we're probably gonna be really hungry. So I don't know. I'll show you his tattoo when we get there. Okay, so we are at his tattoo appointment. Oh no. Oh no. That was the lens cap. I found it. Okay. I'm trying to get down because, one, I don't want anybody to see me, and two, I don't want this going on dual chin. Oh boy, there's a lot of people going through here, so I'm nervous, you know, chatting in front of other people, but they're not even paying attention, so I just need to get over it. But anyway, so we were at his tattoo appointment, like I said, and I can't go back there with him, and I was really hoping I would be able to film some of the process of it. And I also don't want to be like, we vlog, even though we really kind of don't. This is our first like official vlog. We've done some like practice vlogs, so I can get used to talking in front of the camera. Even though you would think I'm used to talking in front of the camera, I'm not used to talking in front of the camera with other people around, like my husband or my children. So hopefully I'll post this one. If so, first vlog ever on the internet. Like I said, again, let me go back to where I originally started, because I do lose track of what I'm talking about all the time, because I go from one thing to another, one thought to another. Can't go back to watch his tattoo. There's signs everywhere that says only tattooist, the person that's getting tattoo is allowed back there. It's kind of a small shop. It's a nice shot. What I should have done, because I did like a little clip before when we were driving down the road of his arm. You didn't get a really good picture, but I got some pictures on my phone that I'll probably post or insert here. I'll post the before, and then of course I'll show you guys the after when he's done, but he won't be done for a while, so I'm gonna be sitting outside for a while. My phone keeps getting off. Oh, I better check it because it's him. Oh my god, I was talking to my camera this entire time thinking it was recording, and it wasn't. I'm so stupid. Anyway, if you see me looking around, sorry, it's just because I'm making sure nobody's like coming up behind my vehicle, and I guess I can kind of see there if they are, but I'm like just making sure. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know the area we're in. I'm hoping that when I do vlogs or post vlogs, maybe I'm gonna start posting 2 vlogs a week and do like a weekend vlog maybe. There probably won't always be a weekend vlog because we don't do a whole lot of anything. Sorry, situating. Like I said, we live in a small area, not a small area, but there's just not jack shit to do here. And pardon my French, but there's just not jack crap to do here. It just, I don't know. So we'll do things when we get a chance to do things. I don't know what this guy is doing. He's just like, yeah. I don't know what that was about, but okay. It makes me uncomfortable, and I'm trying to get comfortable, and I thought this was a good step of trying to vlog to get you guys get more of my personality. You see more of my personality versus, hey guys, how you doing? It's Ashley and welcome back to Hello Sparkles. Versus, I don't mind doing that. I love my regular content, but my husband told me I sound like a robot. So yeah, I have a lot to talk about while he's not here. Yeah. And I don't want to sound like a robot, and I want you guys to see more of my personality, so I'm trying to be more comfortable in front of the camera, and I'm not. Oh, they almost hit them. Sorry, there's a lot going on. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to fit there. This car parked all cockeyed in the space and is taking up 2 spaces, and it's really irritating. And there's been multiple times people have tried to pull through and have almost hit the car that's parked there because they're not realizing that it's taking up 2 spaces. It doesn't look like it until you go to park because it's not enough room for another car. It's just, it looks like it's open, but it's not. That doesn't make any sense without showing you guys, but it literally, the car's like over this much over the line, and it's stupid. So when people pull in, they're like, oh, I have enough room, and then they pull janky ass in there because of where we live. People don't know how to drive, and then they can't park. So do you think you can get food? You think you can get food if you lay by that? Ooh, I almost fell. Do you think you're gonna get food if you lay by that? Oh my gosh, you're so stinking cute. You're so stinking cute. Oop, oop. I booped you with the nose. With my camera. Sorry. Gosh. Oh, you want all the loves too? You want all the loves too? You want all the loves too? Such a good girl. You're such a cute cat. Luna, I need you to remove yourself from my chair. Luna, Luna. I need you to move. Ayla. this at Walmart. It's for one of those. If you come here in 5 minutes, we'll give you a free gift. That was our free gift. Look how long that is. Cool. How satisfying. So for the coronavirus, we forgot to buy rice. And now we're stuck with minute rice that takes 5 minutes to make. So, yeah.
It's not a bad idea if you implement that where if you die in the
This is what happens when you forget to grocery shop.
if you die in the first.
Turned out good, huh?
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Let's see what happens once it starts peeling. The fun begins.
Looks crunchy right there. Just because like where your skin is.